How to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open this option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards Next Solution, go to the main page of Settings. Scroll down, open the option Screen Time. Head towards the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle off for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode. Now close this. Open your control center. Over here you will find this flashlight icon. You have to long press on it. Now swipe up and swipe down in this way. Continue this process for a few seconds and then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards very last solution, open your Settings app. Scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix flashlight not working on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.